What's up YouTube, it's Lonnie So Wavy back with another video. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. Hold on, my camera. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. And I haven't seen nobody doing YouTube videos on waves like that anymore. So try to bring the vibes back to YouTube. Everybody went to TikTok, we try to bring the vibes back to YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Today we're gonna be doing a washing style 2026 washing style for the new beginners who just not joining the wave culture, wave pages, whatever y'all want to call it. I got some wave updates for y'all. We're gonna be more consistent on this page, and I got like some other events and shit I want to like introduce to the page, like go over battles, introduce teams, battles, the league, all that shit. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna upgrade for y'all today. Y'all see what I'm working on. We're gonna do a quick wash because I cut my crown down yesterday and just laid it down and ragged up. I really ain't getting no session in them because I really want to wash. Because I want to get the line up too. Got this new product I want to review, y'all. That's gonna be the next video. You're gonna be reviewing products on here too, such as like clippers, brushes, butter, oil, soap, bars, whip shampoo, all that. Speaking of that, let's get into what we're gonna be using today. Every washing style, you should use a mesh rag. It don't matter if it's a Bow Wow mesh, it's a Bow Wow mesh rag from the beauty supply. And then I got this mesh rag from the beauty supply. Also, you see this one, you can actually see the holes in it. This one is like really like sheer soap. Today I'm using my first wash. I'm using Royal Blue Lagoon whip shampoo. It smells great. It's actually Royal Blue Lagoon whip shampoo. Then my second wash, I'm gonna use Lord Wavy products. I don't know, Play-Doh. It actually looked like Play-Doh, but Play-Doh still ain't figured out the scent on this. You got us guessing the scent. Still ain't figured it out. I sound a little sick, don't I? I do sound a little sick. That shit crazy. You know how you use a spray bottle? A lot of people use water. For me, I use aloe vera juice. Just because I'm low porosity, my coarse hair being nappy headed and shit. My head is hard to absorb shit in general, like water, products in general. Use juice to absorb a little bit more better. And it's pure natural aloe vera juice. This is a mixture with water though. I had a little bit of water in because I had ran out of aloe vera juice. You know, when I bought from March, I pulled a little bit in. You got the soap, do-rag, spray bottle. Must have you a mirror. Must have you a mirror. It don't have to be this big. It could be the small ones. I dropped on my small one, so of course I got a big one. But a lot of cool ass stickers on the back. Get you a mirror, so when you stand in the mirror, you can hit the angle. You know, take it. Main like wash brushes when I use clay and lace wash brushes. This is my main wash brush. This is the brick. I don't know if it's I think it's a 003. The Whisper is kind of hard. Kind of like a medium, firm, hardish. The porcupine bristles, the regular board bristles. My go-to wash brush always. If my hair is kind of lower, I use a 360 cheesy medium green brush. Got the curve, the point. But sometimes I go to this is one of my first wave brushes. If y'all go back to the first video on this page, I probably used this brush. Yes, I still got it. It's a pure medium Torino Pro. Do not know the number. I bought this 2018. One of my first wave brushes. Only one I really it's probably out of all the brushes I bought in 2019, 2018, probably only got like 3 from that collection. I had to rebuy one, but OG version I probably only got like 3 still. Out of this brushes, but 3 brushes in general back then. I use this in my wash, soft brush. It's a spacer, perfect drawing. And sometimes I use this a harder brush. This from Nick Wavy. My sticker came off. Nick Wavy, one of his first OG Nick Wavy brushes. Bought this in 2018, 2019. Yep, this is one of the 3 that I still got when I first started trying to wave. Today we're gonna use this one today. This one and a little bit of this one. Beginning wavers, you don't have to have one of these, but I suggest you get one of these to establish a crown at an earlier date. A little crown tool. Just like I got a comb, just like I got a brush. Or I got one of these little Amazons. It's a brush I use on the crown area. Not using this on the wash though. This is my wash brush. So yeah, let's get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna unrag. Show y'all what I'm gonna do with. Yeah, my shit is fuzzy. All I did was cut my hair, cut my curl down, got to lay down. Sound was bad, later than I threw the rag on. Really is. I need to line up so bad. I might do that on the video for y'all still debating. I don't know. Let y'all see what I'm working with. I don't know how close up I gotta get them on. Let me see. I might do have to turn my ISO up. I don't know. Don't make it too dark. Get it going a little bit. Oh no, make it too dark. Let me see if I can see. I'll probably get a better shot like this. My eyes, yeah, it look better. Oh, I forgot to mention you need a comb too. You need a comb. I use a metal comb, but you can use a plastic comb. Like this. You can use a plastic comb. I use a metal comb. Comb your hair out. First thing you should be doing is comb your hair out. Comb your hair out, okay? So we're gonna comb my hair out real quick. Let me tap back in. Like I said, I got an afro now. You're gonna take your you're gonna take your water bottle. Spray bottle, water bottle, whatever you want to call it. Or you just wet your hair under the sink. Take a scoop of this, it's whipped. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit. Start in the crown area because I already got a crown established. So you start off with the angles. Since it's one shampoo, it's easier to lay the hair down in the right angles with your finger as you're spreading it. So it'll already be like starting to lay. Water gonna be dripping. See how the water dripping? It's not staying on my hair. It's low porosity. Low porosity. My hair don't absorb shit for real. Two more items you need in the washing style at the beginning. Wherever you really don't need them, because you really can use your hand, you can use your fingertips to scrub the soap in and get down to the scalp. Got a scalp detangler, scalp massager, brush, whatever you want to call it. It's a detangler though. Scrape the scalp, detangle the hair, get all that dirt out, then the cup to save the foam. But this is used for later, not on the first wash, second washer. Second wash only. You don't need to be saving dirty foam. It's what they not gonna tell you. Really working on this area right here. I got some forks. That I need to get out. It's like 2. And then I got a fork up here somewhere. Just one. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't have piercing anywhere. Then I got some back here, this angle. I then got one right here somewhere. But this angle back here is 4 feet. But them the main two, out the crown, them the main two I'm trying to fix first. So now that we got that done, gonna put on your mesh do-rag. First wash complete. And then you're gonna rinse this out. You're gonna rinse this out. I'll be right back when I rinse this out. This is just the first wash though. Again, take the spray bottle. They're already damp, so I'm gonna put some juice in here. I only do 2 washes, but as a beginner, you want to do at least 2 to 3 washes. At least 2 to 3, 2 minimum, 3 max. Make sure we get all the dirt out. But I'm gonna do 2 because I know I don't have no products in my hair. Just loose hairs from the haircut yesterday. From the crown trim, not a haircut. Little Wavy Products Lado Washing Style Paste. It's the orange one. I got the yellow one too, but I'm using orange today. Orange is kind of my favorite. Smell better. Yellow is good too though. Same thing as a whip. I'm gonna start with the crown. So I'm gonna take a little bit of paste. I'm not gonna talk through this. I'm gonna fast forward this because I basically about to do what I did in the first wash all over again. I'm gonna take some paste and start on the crown. Now I know y'all see this paste in my head. Y'all probably like, why is it like that? Why is it like that? Said I wasn't gonna use water, but the paste, I forgot. The paste activates into foam suds with water. I'm gonna take some warm water. This is with my hand.
Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me.
Really could go with the detangler again, but I'm just jumping right into the brush. I'm not even gonna lie. Jump right into the brush. 49. See how I got some foam in the brush? You want to take this, squeeze it out the brush, put it in your cup. I don't know if you beginner wavers know, but once I get longer in the journey, washing style is more effective too when you're trying to get rid of some forks. Either break the fork, push your fork out, washing and styling, having your hair wet and soft can get you a lot of progress if you hit the ankles right in the wash. Soap out again. Put it in the cup. Here with the hard brush. Now, let me get into some more detailed work. The crown area. Most important area.
Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little.
Open that mug up.
Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little.
I'm not gonna spend too much time in there because I always mess the crown up. Always mess it up. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. That's all the work I'm doing to it. It's all the work I'm doing to it. Now I'm gonna add some more paste. Then we're gonna use a medium brush, soft brush. Then we're wrapping this up. Hit your angles consistently, precisely. And I'm gonna speed zoom this. Also, not gonna take all day. Y'all get the point.
Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little. Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little.
Put it in the cup. Now I'm gonna take my soap out of my cup and take half of it. Half of it. I'm gonna use it to lay the hair down. Put it in the crown. On my way out. Like this first half. Set it up. Now I'm gonna take my soft brush, extra soft, and lay it down. We're not gonna lay it down, we're just gonna hit my edges. That's another area that we're gonna find my edges. Really don't need this. Beginner wavers really don't need this, but since I've been waving a year or two, my crown is already established. Crown patch. Place the crown patch over the crown. Mesh do-rag, apply the mesh do-rag. This tend to move a lot, so you gotta put this on. Make sure this on correctly. Alright, boom. Then you want to rinse this out, let it air dry. Do not use a blow dryer. Do not use a blow dryer, let it air dry. I'll be back to show you how to rinse those. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. The next video we will be reviewing a haircut product. We're gonna do a self-cut. I might have a video before that self-cut. No, it's gonna be after. Yeah, self-cut next video. Money to wavy. Out.